Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search by categories in the AtlasNavi application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and you will see there a search bar. Press on it and you can see here below the search bar there are two sections here. The first one is history, the second is categories. You should press on the second. And here you can see that you can search up different places, for example, where to eat, hotel, groceries, sites, Wi-Fi, transport, and basically all these things, depending what you want, of course. And you can just select one of the things that you want, and it will show you locations nearby or in your country with those in common. So you just select one of those and it will show you in the map basically a way to that place from your current location. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.